Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I have a card walkthrough today. This is a card using the iconic dies, and I really like it. I had thought I would, when I first created it, that it would be fall enough to be a Thanksgiving card, but as you can see, I opted instead to go with Happy Birthday. I really like all of the different dies. I went ahead and did some special things with them after I popped them up. I put gold behind the mushrooms. I put black glimmer behind the bee's eyes, or eye, and behind the little floral elements so that there's a little bit of a twinkle. And then I took from the elegantly trimmed combo pack, I went ahead and made a little bee's path using dots along the way to keep it in shape, which is a favorite thing that I really love to do. I typically do it with using a marker, adding dashed lines with either white or black or gold, but because of this cord look, I thought that it would make a very nice card embellishment. And I haven't added any other embellishments except this gold flower down here to tie in the gold throughout the rest of the card. I did offset it and used the expressions in ink papers, and in between here this is a gold foil strip. That is it for today. This is a quick one. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them here on the video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.